Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Frank's Handyman. Today we're going to be doing two projects here at this house. As you see, at first we're going to start off by putting some mud here on the walls. He's going to just be mixing it right now, the fast set. This one sets usually within 20 minutes. But this is the area that he's going to be setting all the mud in right now. But like I mentioned, all he's going to be doing right now is just going to be prepping it. And then you're going to see he's going to just start spreading it all over the wall. You see, at this point he's practically almost finishing up there, but our other colleague went to the other bathroom to just cut this off because there used to be a tub in there, but they're going to be putting this this thing right here. This is going to be now a walk-in shower. They're also going to be rearranging all of the pipes here. He's going to be welding them and just moving them a little bit more inside the wall, that way they're not sticking out. And he's also going to be cutting all this section off first, trying to adjust that part like I mentioned. Before getting started, he's going to prep all the copper that he's going to be using. He's going to be cutting it, and then he's also going to be sanding around the copper. This is so you guys could get an idea how it's going to be looking like. He's going to be cutting all of these pieces off, and then he's going to move that T and then put it, like I mentioned, inside that wall. That way it's being a little bit rearranged, and then it goes off a little bit further.
sea de varios días, no, me siento difícil, no tengo cambio. Porque la conciencia de ellos estaba llena de algo por hacer.
Si yo lo vi también así, nomás que no es.
Right now he's going to be cutting off this sections here. Of course, you want to make sure that the water shut off, and then he's going to be putting some caps on both of them.
¿Quieres echar una sopa maruchan?
No.
Debería estar diciendo. ¿Le abro el agua?
No tiene nada porque como cola uno es frágil.
This is the last section that he's going to be welding. He's going to be cutting off these two sides. As you see, it's not going to be needed there anymore since the tub is no longer going to be there. So he's going to just make sure to put it up a little bit higher. That way, you know, the shower knob is easier to reach. And this is how he's going to be doing it right now. He's just going to be cutting off the sections, cutting off the sides, and just putting the bar a little bit higher.
Ya sé a dónde. El sábado por
After he did this part, he was practically finished. I mean, they still have to come in, put all the drywall later on, but that'll be for another video. Stay tuned for that, and I hope you guys have a great day and enjoy the rest of the video.